This? Yeah. No shit.
I stole that from Savard.
Okay.
That's so bad.
Listen.
For Savard.
There's 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens. How many didn't?
How many didn't?
How many didn't?
I still don't get it. Didn't.
2.
What?
Like 30 cows.
There's 30 cows in a field.
I said 2.
28
I
didn't.
said 2 earlier. I don't know what the fuck.
I'm not really defending.
Or 28 chickens. How many didn't?
Fuck this question.
Yeah, no, I'm not even on the time.
Well, 28 of them are chickens.
So there's 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens.
0.
How many didn't?
Didn't what?
Didn't have sex with 0. Right?
There are 30 cows in a field. 28 didn't. Or 28 chickens. How many didn't? 30 cows in a field. 28 chickens.
Yeah, cows are all females, chicken all.
How many didn't?
But I'm not really defending the didn't what? I don't want to defend
Oh my.
Matt, do you know?
30 cows in a field.
28 chickens. How many didn't?
I'm gonna light her on fire.
Chickens.
May?
I'm not understanding the question, so I can retake it. Sorry.
30 cows.
Like, I'm not gonna
You have to think about it. 30 cows in a field, 28 chickens.
10.
How many didn't?
10. 28 chickens. 10 didn't.
Oh.
Was that right?
That was good. High five.
Nice.